how to undo deleted messages from iCloud on iPhone. First, let's return back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, we tap on Settings. Now from the Settings page, tap on the account name at the top. In here, we go down and tap on iCloud. Next, we tap on the CO button. Then we scroll down and tap on Messages in iCloud. Then tap on Manage Storage. Now scroll down and tap on Undo Delete. So tap on that, Undo Delete. And this will allow you to undo deleted messages from iCloud. And that's it. Finally, swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.